my god, I'm so excited. Look at this Switch. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Special edition. Game not included. Rude. It's okay. I already pre-ordered it. They could have at least gave me a micro SD. Alright, let's open this. I can't find... It's pretty. It's pretty. Okay, we're gonna open it. Feels weird that I have to open it upside down, but it opens from the bottom, so... Let's see it. Ooh, the Joy-Cons are first. So here's the first Joy-Con. Ooh. Just pretend you heard screaming. Oh, the gold detail. Look at that. That's really nice. I did get the Zelda Switch. Oh, the back is white. The front has that like green detail. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let me put it back in the bag. Okay, that's the left side. The right side is different. Alright, here's the next one. That's annoying. Ooh. So it's all gold there, and then it has like the circles. Oh, nice. Thank you for the knobbler. It has like the circles on it. It's cool. I like the little symbol on the bottom too. Okay, this is just the Switch part. Oh my god! I did not even know this would be like... Okay, so that's the actual screen, but like the back has... It's black, but it has details on it. I know. I got it, Valkyrie, just because I have the OG Switch. Like, it was about time. Okay, so the front's nothing, obviously, because it's the whole screen. I don't know if I can show you the back. Oh, also, I love the kickstand of the OLED is like... this whole thing. That was such a nice feature that they added. Okay, so the back has these circles on it. Yeah, I have the OG version 1 too, day 1. The back has these circles on it. It would have been really cool if they made it like a Sheikah slate detail on the back. But I guess with the new game, you don't know if there's like Sheikah slate stuff. Look at that. I love tone-on-tone pattern. It's always been one of my favorite things. They do have the things outside on the little bumpers, and the bumpers are white. The bumpers are white, and they have like this like gold string on them. Like, that's a nice detail too. Nothing else other than that. Just like the white with the gold string. That's a nice touch. Imagine they gave you like a branded HDMI cable and like a branded like everything. Oh, actually, okay, so the thing that puts the Joy-Cons together is just normal. Oh, the front's so nice. Oh my god, it's so shiny. Look at it. It's so nice. It's gorgeous. Oh my god. There's not much detail in the back. There's just like the two corners. Just the two corners. Ash, thank you for the like. But the front is so nice. Damn, they knocked this out the park. And I haven't seen an OLED dock, if it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Did I just break it? Or does it just pop out like that now? Oops. Imagine I just broke the Switch. I just got it. No, it just pops off now. Interesting. I like how... Oh, you can really hide the wires in here now. Okay, I'm here for it. Okay, so I think the new ones... Did the new ones come with Ethernet built in? Did I see that? No, they have the HDMI. Oh, it does! It does! Okay, so the cool thing about the OLED docks is that you can't really see, but it has an Ethernet port on it. So I had an adapter already to plug it into the internet so that I could play online games and not get like a bunch of sputtering and stuff. But now they built it right into the Switch, which is really nice. Also, fun fact, So they have these USBs on the end here. So these headphones are USB headphones. And if I plug my USB in here for my headphones, it works. So yeah, so I can actually plug my headphones into there and it works perfectly. And then you have just the HDMI and the port in there, but you got 2 USBs in here, so you know, you can put multiple USB things in there. Not that I'm trying to sell the Switch or anything, though I've always said that the Switch is one of the greatest consoles, only if the performance was as good. Oh shoot, put this back. Let me put this back in the wrapping. Only if the performance was as good as, like, you know, like those other consoles. Like, it does lag a little bit. I'm hoping Tears of the Kingdom performs a little bit better frame rate wise than Breath of the Wild did, but you know, I don't really care. I didn't really care before, but there it is. There's the Switch. It's gorge.